really
on
likes
his
you.
farm he had
You're a
a
natural
horse.
with him.
E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here and a
All right,
neigh-neigh
sweetie,
there.
up you go.
Here
Hold
a
on
neigh,
tight
there
now.
a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald
there,
had
sweetie.
a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
You two are adorable.
Settle in now, old boy.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Goodbye, horsey. See you
E-I-E-I-O.
later.
And on his
There
farm
you go,
he
little
had
fella.
a dog.
You're free now.
E-I-E-I-O.
He's so
With a
soft.
woof woof
I
here
love
and a
him.
woof woof
Go get him,
there.
sweetie.
Here a
Don't
woof,
let him
there a
get
woof,
away.
everywhere a woof woof.
I'm trying
Old
to catch him.
MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Look at all the
Old
fish.
MacDonald had a
Sweetie,
farm.
we'll catch some for lunch
E-I-E-I-O. And
there.
on his farm he had a fish. E-I-E-I-O. With a blub blub here and a blub blub there. Here a blub, there a blub, everywhere a blub blub. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a honeybee. E-I-E-I-O. With a buzz buzz here and a buzz buzz there. Here a buzz, there a buzz, everywhere a buzz buzz. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a black oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chickens. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Family song daughter, I am lucky to have a daughter like you. You're the best and creative, that is true. I love you, this is for you. You're the one with so much fun.
Chicky? Where are you? Did you go outside? Grandpa?
What's wrong, dear?
My chick.
I don't know where it went. Let's go check in the barn. Maybe it went there.
Okay, maybe it's there.
Come on, boy, we've got something to find.
Can I help, Grandpa?
Of course, sweetheart.
Chicky, where are you?
Keep looking, sweetheart. We'll find it.
Chicky! I found you.
There you are, little one.
Drink slowly, little one. Good job.
Looks like someone's happy again.
Good night, little one. Sleep well. Dash Kids.